Due to the poor alignment and handling, today we are changing the tie and rod of the vehicle. We have this genuine Mahindra tie and rod kit, so we are replacing it today. So unlike others, we have 4 tie and rods. One, other one is the 2, 3 and 4. First of all, we are doing with this one, grab the pliers, remove the pin and loose it with a correct size spanner. Loose it with a wrench, then use your hands like so. Now removing this is a bit a tricky part, especially when it is stuck. So take up your bolt, reverse it and tie it a bit like so, and use a hammer okay, damaged pieces. Now we need to mark this area. Now we need to mark up like this, that this much area is out, so that after when we just install the new one, we know how much is out and how much is in. I took the complete rod out as it was very difficult to remove the stuck tie and rod. Now I'll just start hammering over it so that it became loose, and I already applied WD-40 over here, so it became a little bit easier to after hammering. It just came out like nothing. See, it required no efforts and just came out like this. 1 down, 3 more to go. I'll remove all and we'll get back to you. Out with the old, in with the new. So this is what it looked like after replacement. This is the old one, new, and we have made markings which is unfortunately not visible to the camera. Every old has a marking, so we have to align them, the new ones, according to the marking of old ones. I'll do it right now. Now all four are done according to measurements and all. This is what it is look like. Now let's go to the vehicle and install it. Now first of all, this will go up here. I'm just hand tightening it right now. How much I can tight with my hands? I suppose this is enough. Now let's come to the another side, which is here. Open this up. Align the wheel with this. Align. like so, and hand tighten it again. Now it's time for the second bar. Now here is the second bar. Open it up. Now first of all align it to its place here, and hand tighten it again. Unscrew again, align. It's a bit tricky one, but it's okay. Hand tighten. Now we have roughly installed our tie and rods. Now it's time for proper tight. I don't know the exact torque figures for this vehicle, so I am roughly torquing it down. And with this, we are completely done with the complete process of how to replace a tie and rod in the Jeep.